I create art to bring a sense of light, a sense of peace, joy, um, to whatever environment it's placed in. I work with glass specifically. When you think about glass, you think of this hard, rigid form, this medium. And I want to take this hard, rigid form and turn it into something soft, something more organic. I want people to see the movement and the softness, the curves. Smalti is the art form. It's the actual glass that's used to make the classical mosaics. Real gold on one side, and on the other side is the blue glass. And in each of my glass paintings, I will put a tiny piece of gold Smalti in it that reminds me of, if we follow our heart, who knows where it can take us. When I met with the team at the Ross, they wanted their piece to be a joyful piece, a piece of hope. And so I thought about just the journey, and it took me more to a path, the path that they chose to take together. This path that I chose was the labyrinth. And on this labyrinth, as you could tell, the pavers start darker, and then as you walk it, the pavers get light. And then we have groupings of flowers here. And the flowers all symbolize hope and joy and healing. For instance, the trilliums here, they symbolize harmony, body, mind, and spirit. And then you go into the different irises, which symbolize hope. And then you come up here to the tulips, which symbolize hope. Poppies symbolize hope. And then you come down here to the daffodils, which symbolize joy. And then you come in here to the anemones, which symbolize care during illness. My goal was just, no matter who walks by this piece, if they could just stop for 30 seconds or 60 seconds, take a look at it, walk up and touch it, and connect with that in some way, that has taken them away from whatever they're dealing with at that time. And then that gives them the freedom to kind of go maybe with a different mindset, a lighter heart maybe, bringing with them some hope and some joy and some light. So the gold Smalti and the healing path at the lobby of the Ross, I will not tell you. You'll have to find it on your own.